welcome to the most anticipated Logic ultrasound product launch. I am Goldie Mishra from GE Healthcare and I head the Logic General Imaging Ultrasound for GE Healthcare in South Asia. Logic has a very deep and enriching history in the world of ultrasound, and the journey started 3 decades ago. Today, we have shipped more than $14 billion worth of Logic ultrasound systems into 74 different countries around the world. Your clinical expertise, along with Logic innovations, have helped set the standards and raise the bar in delivering unparalleled care for millions of patients across the world. Keeping the spirit of innovation, we at GE are extremely proud to introduce the latest and next generation Logic Performance Series. Besides the big reveal, our program includes expert clinical insights from leading clinicians. Now it's show time. Without further ado, let me hand it over to Mr. Ashit Shah, Ultrasound Business Head, GE Healthcare, South Asia.
Welcome and thank you for joining us today. We are incredibly grateful to you for your support and love that has made Logic to be the leading ultrasound brand globally in radiology and general imaging. Since the early 1990s, Logic Ultrasound has introduced groundbreaking innovations. We consistently try to evaluate needs of the patients from head to toe to provide clinically relevant technology. It makes us proud and humble that over the last 3 decades, we have created some of the biggest technology advancements which have helped to shape up the ultrasound industry and serve millions of patients across the world. When we had developed industry's first matrix linear transducer, can you believe it was the size of a toaster? Today, our customers are scanning with the latest generation, which is the size of an iPhone. In 1999, we were the first in the industry to introduce B-Flow, which released great spatial resolution and amazing hemodynamics, which the industry is still trying to catch up with today. GE's TrueScan architecture, a revolution in imaging processing, enabled again a GE first breakthrough with raw data processing, which allowed clinicians to virtually rescan the entire patient again. Imagine what a boon it is during the current pandemic, keeping you and your patients safe. We then introduced the powerful imaging acquisition technology Agile Acoustic Architecture in our premium Logic ultrasound systems, which allowed clinicians to image complex cases and difficult patients. The groundbreaking XD Clear technology, which is a combination of 3 innovations. It allows you to scan with even wider bandwidth and with greater sensitivity. It produces exceptional images. Our shear wave technology with quality indicators is helping today with better diagnosis of liver health. Throughout our history, these innovations have been made possible because we look forward and listen to you and understand your needs and create new solutions to address them. Today, as we stand here, clinicians are looking for a smarter ultrasound solution. For routine too complex exams, a technology which is enabled with artificial intelligence, next generation transducers, and advanced quantification tools, which will help you speed up routine scans, increase diverse patients, as well as diagnose complex cases far early and treat patients accurately for liver diseases and cancer, including both breast as well as cervical cancers. We are very excited here to introduce to you our latest in performance ultrasound. We believe this new technology will evolve your ultrasound practice and seamlessly integrate into your daily workflow for exceptional patient care, a patient care that both you as well as the patient deserve. The wait is over, gentlemen. Welcome to the next generation and advanced Logic Performance Series with XD Clear technology. Please have a look along with us.
Amazing, isn't it? The next generation Logic Performance Series addresses key 3 needs that clinicians are looking forward to in a new ultrasound. Powerful XD Clear technology, advanced imaging technology with exceptional 2D image resolution with greater depth, clarity and sensitivity. Increased patient coverage for diverse scans and patient needs, ideal for shared services. Next is patient-centric. With majority of our population struggling with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, the need of the hour is to get advanced liver quantification tools to enable early diagnosis. And finally, with personalized workflow, you have artificial intelligence and smart automation. It helps clinicians with faster scans, accurate measurements, and confident diagnosis. An ultrasound that will adapt to your working style seamlessly. So here are the 3 P's: powerful, patient-centric, and personalized workflow, which forms the 3 pillars that enable us to bring the next generation Logic Performance Series. To give you more details, let me hand it over to our product managers, Rupesh Reddy and Guru Swami.
Thank you, Goldie, for introducing us, and thank you all for attending this most awaited launch of this year.
So as you know, P-Series comes with a very advanced technology called the P-Agile architecture. It dynamically optimizes the image of each and every body type, enabling the clinician to give better clinical diagnosis and confidence. To make the P-Series even much more stronger, we are now introducing for the first time the XD Clear technology.
You all wondering what is XD Clear is all about and what is its uniqueness? XD Clear is a combination of 3 innovative technologies: single crystal, acoustic amplifier, and CoolStack. The combo of these strong innovations gives the best resolution, better tissue differentiation with increased penetration. When you look on this liver image, you can really appreciate the near to far field resolution and the extraordinary parenchyma tissue differentiation with a very good penetration. When it comes to obstetrics, when you see this first trimester image, you can clearly see the intracranial structures and the tissues are well defined. With overall, the XD Clear probes gives the best resolution.
Wow, Guru, such excellent images of liver and obstetric imaging. But I also want to tell you that we have also enhanced the shared service capabilities on the new Logic P-Series. I want to talk about the 5 new aspects in this particular new Logic P-Series. The first one Guru spoke about is the C16 XD Clear technology. It enhances your image resolution capabilities for clinical diagnosis. We have also introduced the IC59 transvaginal probe with higher number of elements, again giving the clinician better resolution and better field of view imaging. The third aspect is we have introduced the matrix linear array probe, and also we are proud to introduce for the first time the shear wave elastographic capabilities for breast and thyroid imaging on the matrix probe. When it comes to cardiac imaging, we have introduced the matrix array XD Clear technology probe, which enhances your 2D imaging quality. And also we have automated tools such as Sono AVC, Sono NT, Sono IT, and Sono Render Live. Just to add a feather on the cap, for the new Logic P-Series, we have also added the new HDU monitor, which is the high definition ultrasound monitor.
I've been using Logic P-Series, particularly with the XD Clear platform, which has a wonderful architecture. Able to use this agile architecture, which is the heart of the mission, wherein we know that we are going to have a better resolution images. Not only that, there will be good spatial resolution and depth perception, which is the most important thing as a radiologist or an imageologist we require. Because at depth, we need to always decrease the frequency and try to image the posteriorly placed or in-depth structures. If I as a radiologist try to acquire a machine, I would like to use it for radiology work as well as for OBGY work, and this particular technology has got the ability to be used for both radiology as well as the OBGY or fetal medicine or gynec work. Now, another important thing is that the 3D applications which are available with the transendorectal probe or endovaginal probe or an endocavity probe is such a wonderful tool that you can use OmniView, BCI as well as the TUI. So these are all the other things that we can make use of, and all these technologies incorporated into this particular machine. So that is one of the greatest advantages which I found by using this machine.
Wow, that's really amazing. One system for diverse application is the need of the hour. Many of our clinicians would love to go for it. We, GE Healthcare, continuously innovate by keeping clinicians and patients at the center. New Logic P series is completely patient-centric. Today, liver-related problems like NASH and NAFLD is a major concern amongst us. Approximately 15 to 25% of liver-related problems can progress into cirrhosis. In 2022, fatty liver is going to be the major cause of liver transplantation. Since prevention is better than cure, our clinicians are expecting an advanced technology to detect liver abnormalities in early stage. We, GE Healthcare, recognized in very earlier stage, and we introduced a novel technology called UGAP in our premium system. Rupesh, today I am very happy to introduce UGAP in our Logic P10 and making advanced technology available for all.
We now in India also have a lot of obesity, and this is really worrisome because obesity, as you know, causes a lot of problems, cardiac problems, stroke, liver toxicity and liver damage. And as our country is prospering, we are seeing increasing BMI of patients, and this leads to fatty liver, or what we call as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a very, very important problem because this is the initial stage of fat deposition, and then it progresses to NASH, what we call as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. This is seen in about 25 to 30% of our patients who have NAFLD, which progress to NASH. And 25 to 30% of NASH patients then progress to fibrosis, and 2 to 3% then progress to cirrhosis, and sometimes even develop hepatocellular carcinoma. It's easy to diagnose grade 2 and grade 3, but grade 1 is very difficult because it's very subjective. And of course, at the extreme, cirrhosis is easy to diagnose, and a normal liver is easy to diagnose. But in the middle, if there is fibrosis following an NAFLD, then we do need either a liver biopsy or blood test. Now, blood tests can have a lot of false positives. We rely mainly on ultrasound elastography, which tells us there is fibrosis or cirrhosis. And now with the new UGAP, that is ultrasound guided attenuation parameter, we can actually estimate the degree of steatosis or fat percentage in the liver.
Ultrasound guided attenuation parameter is a very advanced technology, yet very fast technology, which will help the clinicians to diagnose liver steatosis at a very early stage. And the best part about UGAP technology on the Logic P10 is it is faster, it is repeatable. It also helps the clinicians by having multiple measurements to do faster and quicker exams.
Wow, that's really amazing. to understand about the breakthrough technology called UGAP. Rupesh, what about Sharewave and what are all the advancements we are bringing in Sharewave?
Oh, Guru, a lot of advancements in terms of Sharewave elastography I would like to explain you. So the first thing which I would like to explain you is the multiple probes which we have introduced. As all of you know, Sharewave is a tool which diagnoses liver cirrhosis. So not only liver cirrhosis today, but we have migrated and introduced Sharewave elastography on the linear technology probes also. And the best part on the Logic P10, we have introduced Sharewave elastography on the TVTR probe, which will cater to applications such as prostate and cervix applications. We have also introduced Hepatic Assist, a reporting software wherein it combines Sharewave elastography and UGAP, and it gives the clinicians a complete reporting format which will enhance the reporting structure to the patient. We have also introduced hybrid B-flow and microvascular imaging on the new Logic P series. When it comes to microvascular imaging, it helps the clinicians to really pick up very tiny, small vascular structures which will help in their vascular applications.
Logic P10 machine was brought to my clinic for evaluation. That has got a lot of unique features. Every day when we do abdominal ultrasound, we will come across the non-cirrhotic fatty liver disease. In that, we will use this to identify the difference between the liver and the kidney. But now the new feature has come with the elastography. When you do this Sharewave elastography in the liver, we can assess the kilopascal, how much is there, and it can be recorded in a chart format. And then if you do a wrong measurement of the Sharewave elastography, it will be indicated in a red one. So that you can avoid. So the machine will take care of this, whether you are doing it correctly or wrongly, the Sharewave elastography. Apart from that Sharewave elastography, it has got a place for a steatosis, that is the fat, how much is there. That fibroscan, what the medical gastroenterologists are asking, how much of fat is there in the liver, that you can predict it by doing this UGAP, that is ultrasound guided attenuation parameter. So with that, you can assess the how much of fat accumulation is there, steatosis you can make. So these two are the very good features for the liver assessment. And apart from that, we have this B mode flow. In that B mode flow, you can see that vessels, whether that flow is there or not, uniform flow or heterogeneous flow, that you can make it out in this. Then next to the power Doppler, they have come out with the microvascular imaging. That microvascular imaging will pick up the smaller vessel, tiny vessels, and the flow also will be visualized in the microvascular. Very, very useful for the tumor characterization and detection of a smaller vessel flow. Next is the thyroid. In that thyroid, we will do a thyroid assessment. If there is a nodule is there, then we can assess this nodule by doing a TIRADS, the composition, and the scoring also is incorporated. That is very, very useful for our day-to-day practice of a thyroid gland assessment.
This brings us to the final pillar, personalizations. Logic P series designed to adapt the clinician's need, not in the other way around. We have introduced advanced artificial intelligence in Logic P series along with smart touch features. When it comes to AI, Logic P series powered with Auto Doppler Assist, an artificial intelligence tool which can determine and locate the vessel, place the ROA automatically, and put the gate automatically to bring the good Doppler workflow. This will reduce a lot of time. When it comes to auto lesion segmentation, users have just to draw a circle around the lesion. Machine will automatically calculate the area by putting the calipers, and we can get the area. We have introduced Smart Touch in our Logic P series.
So the Smart Touch gives the clinician access to the secondary touch panel wherein he can visualize the image. Not only visualize, but he can also do a lot of workflow enhancements, such as he can adjust the gain, he can pinch zoom the image, and this feature will be very useful during intervention because you don't really need to touch the console. You can touch the secondary touch screen and sanitize it with ease.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rajasabai. I'm a practicing sonologist at Madurai for the past 30 years. First thing, I'll tell right from the machine itself. Say when they want to bring in the machine inside my room, I normally used to keep open the 2 doors. Now, say for bringing inside this machine, I just opened 1 door, the machine came inside. Which I have got really impressed on. The first thing is the size of the monitor. The size of the monitor is so big. Not only the size of the monitor, but the size of the image. You can see the image is occupying more than say 60 to 70% of the monitor size. So what you get out of it is a good, better image with better definition. Because of the high definition monitor, you see the image quality you don't lose the quality because of the magnification. Even small subtle lesions can be picked up very easily in this. Now I am coming down to the touch panel. The touch panel, which really impressed me is the mirror image. You can just see the images on the mirror monitor as well as the image. Here, if I feel the brightness is not sufficient, I can always increase it. Then, by even the TGC adjustment, so if I feel the posterior enhancement is not sufficient, if I want to increase the posterior gain, I can increase it, or I can change it to any level by adjusting the TGC curve. See here, the advantage of my page is when I just pre-program this my page, I can have all my text in this. I can take my measurements, bilateral or whatever the obstetrical measurements or the abdominal measurements, even the bladder volume, measurements can be stored in it. So with this single screen, I can operate the measurements, I can operate the text, I can just store the very same thing very easily in this. The machine is so finely tuned, even a small change of controls like this HD from 4 to 6 or edge enhancement, rejection, little colorful also you can see, tint map you can use it, for showing to the patient point of view. Here, since all the measurements, text and everything comes in it, the time taken for each case will be very minimal.
Thank you all for attending this special launch. We hope you all liked the next generation of Logic P series.
Over to you, Goldie.
Wow, that's amazing. The next generation Logic Performance series will enable you to diagnose liver diseases at an early stage with the use of UGAP and shear wave technology. You will be able to see exceptional 2D images with XD Clear probe technology and agile acoustic imaging architecture. Advance your shared service practice with comprehensive shear wave solution, artificial intelligence and automation. A one-stop solution for diverse patient care. Reduce patient and clinician exposure as well as exam time. You use volume data to conduct offline assessments. And finally, easy access to Logic Club, where you can view presentations and case studies from experts and learn tips and tricks on how to get most from your system. Thank you so much for joining our virtual launch event today. I'll encourage you to visit Meet the Expert section and enjoy remainder of the program. Thank you and stay safe.